Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para baliksigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule now available at all leading drugstores. Available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Alingatong capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. We're now approaching the third and final hour of this radio show. You're still tuned in to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Of course, coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon. 11 straight years now, the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right? And once again, we'd like to remind you, the Navy needs you. The Navy wants you. According to our friends from the Philippine Navy a while ago, here at the station, sabi nila, kailangan na ng personnel na mag-fill up sa mga bagong dating nating barko at iba pang mga equipment. Okay? So, the Navy needs you. Join the mobile recruitment happening at Walter Mart. Okay? Visit Walter Mart now, today. Bring your necessary documents. Okay? That's the invite coming from our friends at the Philippine Navy. Okay? Apply na! Maganda yung benefits. Sinabi nila kanina. Yung signing, parang signing bonus pa lang, mas malaki pa sa sweldo ko. Isang buwan. Doble yata. Also, you're invited to the upcoming promo of Sam's Pizza. Okay? They will be having the promo on April 30 called Sam's Pizza Payday Sale. Oh, pang payday nga no? Katapusan, April 30. Alright? So, visit Sam's Pizza on April 30 and get to avail the following. Alright? Get 2-in-1 flavor, 12 inches family size pizza for only 299 pesos. Dalawa na yun, ha? Presyo lang ng isa yan, eh. Diba? Okay? 12 inches family size pizza, dalawa for only 299 on April 30. So, mark your calendars, ha? April 30. Tapos, punta kayo na maaga. O, baka maubusan. Pagka nagpa-promo ng ganyan yung pizza, yung Sam's Pizza, ang haba ng pila, eh. Napapansin ko, eh. O, dami kasing gusto. Dami bumibili. Sarap eh. Oh. Okay? So, check it out. April 30. Mark your calendars. 2 steps though. All you have to remember the 2 steps. Ang step number 1, choose one all-time favorite flavor. Isang all-time favorite flavor, which is Hawaiian or pepperoni. Yan yung all-time favorite. Okay? So, yan yung pizza number 1 mo. Ang pizza number 2 mo, choose from any of the classic flavor. Ito yung mga classic flavor. Beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom. Ayun. So, yun yung magiging combination, ha? Murang-mura na yun, no? $2.99 lang. Tapos, 12 inches family size. Happening April 30. Okay? So, magiging available sa Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos. Okay? So, you're invited. And wait, there's more. You will get the chance to get yours free, totally free. Wala kang babayaran. Ayan. If you will join the radio contest mamaya, okay? Tawag lang kayo sa akin na. Save nyo na yung number ko, 0910-6909-501. Okay? Yan, okay? When I give the go signal, tawag kayo. And ulitin nyo lang yung mechanics na sinabi ko. Sagutin nyo, tatanong ko naman, huwag kayong mag-alala, may clue. Oh. Ang clue natin clueless. So maya-maya yan, okay? So watch out for the radio contest for your chance to win 2 12 inches family size na naka-sale na on April 30, $2.99 na lang. Pero kung sa radio contest, Libreng-libre pa. Alright? All for free. And on with today's holidays and observances and famous birthday segment. But first, before that, you guys heard a song a while ago from Avril Lavigne featuring Black Bear. Love It When You Hate Me is the title of that song. Okay, that song brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Hey, do check out the summer raffle promo ongoing up until May 25. Okay, get ready to reach new heights with Royal Duty Free's summer raffle promo. The sky's the limit from March 16 to May 25. Every 500 peso purchase earns you an e-raffle coupon. E-raffle ito, no? Okay? So elevate your chances by using your Gold Royal Privilege card and buying from the sponsor products to get you extra coupons up to worth 700,000 pesos prizes para sa summer raffle promo. Okay? So check out their official social media pages and of course the official website www.royalsubic.com where the catalog is always posted. You may also call 2523-258 for more increase, okay? And on with today's holidays and observances being brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. The phone number, caller text number for Subic Bay Freeport Branch, 0927-895-9714. And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting quarter pounder, flame grilled burgers, Wawas Jr. Visit their social media page, okay? Look them up on Facebook. On with today's holidays and observances. Today is World Book Day. Yung mga mahilig sa book, all right? Here in the Subic Bay Freeport at the Ayala Mall, they had the book fair called Biblio. Yeah, I think it's done already. Pero they still have the Biblio place or shop at the Harbor Point Mall, okay, that you may visit anytime, okay? So, and today, relevant to that, is World Book Day, okay? Also, April 23 is the Army Reserves Day, the English Language Day, what else? German Beer Day. Some of the best beers in the world. Alongside our beers. Best beers in the world din yan, ang atin, di ba? April 23 is also Lovers Day. Teka, hindi ba February 14? Sa bagay, Valentine's Day pala yun. Oh. Lovers naman. Pero parang it's one and the same. You know? Lovers Day, April 23. Movie Theater Day. The Day of the Cherry Cheesecake. Something that's yummy for you. Another yummy thing, English Muffin Day. What else? Lost Dog Awareness Day. Sort of serves also as remembrance or memorabilia for the lost dogs. Okay? And what else? School Bus Drivers Day. If you happen to know one who's a bus driver, give them a big hug. Or treat them to lunch. Treat them at Wawas. Also, April 23 is the Spanish Language Day, as well as the English Language Day. Pareho, no? It's a UN-recognized observance. All right? So that's about it. Today's holidays and observances, April 23, 2024. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Angel Locsin is one of today's birthday celebrants. Si Ate Angel, aka Darna. Born April 23, 1985. Okay? Next up, we have Lenny Robredo. April 23, 1964. Everybody knows Lenny, right? George Canseco. Naku, napakagaling na composer and songer. Songer din. Si George Canseco. April 23, 1934. Okay, tama ba ako? Yeah, I think so. All right. And next up we have also happy birthday to singer. Singer naman, Bituin Escalante. All right. Happy birthday to you. April 23, 1977. Next up we have happy birthday also to John Cena. You don't see me. You can't see me. April 23, 1977. Model Gigi Hadid. One of the most popular model for Sports Illustrated swimsuit. April 23, 1995. Next up we have, William Shakespeare. Si Idol William. April 23, 1564. Long time ago, syempre. Okay? One of the most influential writer in English literature, William Shakespeare. All right. Next up, we have Shirley Temple. Birth anniversary for her. She passed away in 2014. April 23, 1928. Chai Young of the girl group Twice. April 23, 1999. Comedian George Lopez. He's a funny dude. Funny Mexican. Mexican-American. April 23, 1961. Dev Patel. You probably remember him as Jamal Malik in Slumdog Millionaire. There you go. April 23, 1990. And pop singer Tayo Cruz, April 23, 1985. And lastly, rock singer Roy Orbison, April 23, 1936. All right, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, April 23 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You. Happy birthday to you. Okay, we will play songs coming from today's birthday celebrants like Roy Orbison, Bituin Escalante, George Canseco. Si Angel Locsin ba may kinanta ba na song? Sige, lagay natin lahat. But first, we need to take the quick top of the hour break. We will be back with more. Stick around.
Too big man.